What up? It's your boy back at it again. So today I'm gonna be making some pulled chicken. You know how you love pulled pork, but today I'm gonna try out with chicken, man. Hey, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be way more healthier for me too. So I got some. I don't know, washed the chicken off, some thigh and legs. I pulled all the skin and the extra fat off. And here, so on this video right here, I'm gonna be doing a review on my man smoking and grilling with AB barbecue sauce. Hey, go and check him out. You know, he got the AB Grill Master barbecue sauce. I got the spicy sauce. He got all different kinds. Check him out. Smoking and grilling AB. So I got my go-to dry rub. I got some apple cider vinegar. I got some Worcestershire sauce, and I got some honey. And I'm gonna just make it do what it do, baby. Just sit back and enjoy this journey. I'm gonna start placing my chicken in here so I can put my seasoning on it. And I'm just gonna put some rub all over this. Check this out. I'm just going to mix this up, man, so we can get it all around. Let me wash my hands off, get the seasoning off. Alright, now that I got my seasoning all sealed, I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to go ahead and put some Worcestershire sauce on here. Just goes, get the chicken nice and wet. Put 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Get that nice tender. And then with that tang, to balance out it, I'm gonna put some honey in here for to balance out the apple cider vinegar. And we just go ahead and turn the crock pot on until she started to fall apart and fall off the bone. Let me go ahead and put some of this AB's Grill Master's barbecue sauce on here. Man. Alright, let's go ahead and taste this bad boy. AB, this barbecue sauce right here, man, this thing got a nice little kick to it. I like that. Hey, appreciate you for sending me this out here. Hey, if y'all ain't heard Smoking and Grilling with AB, go over to his YouTube channel and check him out. Hey, and he can help you out getting some of them sauce. Just comment and let him know I sent you. Hey, but thanks you guys for tuning into this video. Hey, be sure to go check out my Instagram at Southern Smoke Boss. Peace out.